recent notification given by CBDT pertaining to inclusion of new categories of SSEs who would be required to file income tax returns. I find it pertinent to share few details about the same via the medium of this video. New categories of taxpayers notified for filing income tax return without income exceeding rupees 2.5 lakh. Section 139(1) clause B of the Income Tax Act 1961 provides that in case of a person other than company or firm, return of income is required to be filed if total income exceeds basic exemption limit. Seventh provision to section 139(1) lays down certain additional criteria which would be required for filing of return even if total income does not exceed basic exemption limit. CBDT has issued notification number 37/2022 dated April 21, 2022 for widening the tax net. There are few more classes of taxpayers who will be required to file the income tax returns even if their income is below the basic exemption limit. It may be noted that a company and a firm are required to file the income tax return even if there is no income or even if they are not carrying out any business activity. Now, any person, even if income that does not exceed 2.5 lakh rupees per annum, which is the basic exemption limit to file the return of income under the domestic income tax laws of India, shall be required to file the annual tax return in India even if they fall under any of the following conditions. If total sales, turnover or gross receipts in the business exceeds rupees 60 lakhs or total gross receipts in profession exceeds rupees 10 lakh or aggregate of withholding taxes, that is TDS or TCS, is rupees 25,000 or more but rupees 50,000 or more for an individual resident aged 60 years or more, or aggregate of deposits in one or more savings bank account is rupees 50 lakh or more. Now, apart from above, there are some other criteria as well, result of which filing of return is already made mandatory for following categories of taxpayers. For example, deposit of rupees 1 crore or more in one or more current accounts with a banking company or a cooperative bank, expenditure of rupees 2 lakh or more on foreign travel expenses either for himself or for any other person, or expenditure of rupees 1 lakh or more towards consumption of electricity. I hope this information was useful to all of you, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.